Guys, what's up? I know I look terrible, but please don't mind. I look like this at home, right? So yeah. So I'm here to share a review and also just how to use this. Basically, I want to show you guys what you can do if your hair is too oily like every day. So this is the best thing that you can use, and I bought it and I'm just going to use it, and as well as I'm going to review it for you guys. This is the Khadi Natural Organic Shikakai powder. Shikakai has been used in India for like centuries to wash your hair without soap. Ingredients list is very clean, it's just one thing, and that's Shikakai. And it retails for 170 rupees. I bought it off of Nykaa and it comes in a steel box, and I think that's the perfect way to store these kind of powders. I'm gonna give you guys a gist of why I'm using Shikakai in the first place. Let's go to the past when I used to be in like 10th grade or 9th grade, I don't even remember. So back then, at that time I used to have like really thick and really long hair. And those times my mother used to get these powders, like mix of different powders for making hair mask, and you just need to like mix water and use it for your hair. The mix of powders used to contain amla, henna, shikakai and something else, hibiscus. Yeah. And whenever I used to use that thing on my hair, I don't have to use any other shampoo or anything to wash off anything because it contains shikakai. And shikakai, it doesn't froth like your shampoo, but it literally is like soap. It kind of helps in washing off any excess dirt or oil in your hair. And then I just stopped using it. Like, you know, we get to a phase which I explained in my video of like my hair growth journey and how I damaged my hair and then I again grew it back and all that. So yeah, I went to a phase where I was just only using shampoo and I never used to take care of my hair. So all of these things just went off of my hair care routine and everything. After I cut my hair short, which happened around in May, April, I don't know. After that, I've been like the past 2 to 3 months, I have been noticing that my hair is just oily, like all the time. I think this is my 3rd day hair, and guys, I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but it's super oily. I don't even need to wash it because I don't sweat as much, but still I wash it almost 3 times or 4 times a week just so that it doesn't get this oily, and like it's oily the 2nd day or maybe the next day itself. So I just need something to wash my hair but then not damage it, because I don't want to use shampoo like every day. I would like to wash my hair every other day now because of the whole oily situation. I would like to wash my hair every other day, but I cannot wash my hair with just simply with water because then it's just even more oily. And if I start using shampoo every other day on my hair, I'm just scared that I'm gonna get it back to the damaged state that it was years ago. I don't want to do that. So I was just in a situation where I was just like, what can I do? And as far as I know, Shikakai can be used just as a hair cleanser, and that is what I'm going to be doing. So I won't be using shampoo every single time I'm going to wash my hair, and instead of that I'm going to use Shikakai. So we are going to put this to test today to see if it removes this oiliness. I won't be using any shampoo or conditioner or anything. I'm not going to apply any more oil also because it's just like, this is just already too much oil. You get 150 gram of product in there. Guys, the whole earth is in danger and you still pack things in plastic. Organic Shikakai powder, they have like organic Rita powder, organic Amla powder and everything. In Khadi itself, I think it's there. Shikakai has saponin, which generates lather in contact with water. If you are a chemistry student, you should know what is saponin. Anyway, Shikakai has been used in India for centuries as hair wash and hair conditioner. It cleans hair, prevents itchy scalp and deep conditions, leaving hair soft and manageable. Anyways, Shikakai does not strip hair off of its natural pH, as soft and clean at the same time. Directions: make a paste of Shikakai, apply all over scalp and hair. Massage to form a slight lather, keep for a few minutes and rinse off. I really wish that this thing works that much. 150 gram of powder in there. have here almost 2.5 of this spoon, probably like 1.5 tablespoons of SHIKAKAI powder in there, and I'm just going to add a little bit of water, like little by little I'm gonna add, and I'm gonna mix it. Please don't do this with the fan on, guys, because it's just going to fly everywhere. If you have ever used henna, it's almost like henna only. Just mix it really well so that there is no lumps. Take a paste right there, and that is how it has to be, because if it's too watery you won't be able to apply it to like every single part of your hair and it's going to be messy. This way you can literally apply it like a hair mask and leave it on your hair for probably like 10 minutes and then wash it off. A very smooth paste, and it's pretty thick. I have the SHIKAKAI paste right here. As I told you guys, it's a very thick but very smooth paste. Like, I really like the consistency of it. Looks like chocolate, but don't eat it. It smells like SHIKAKAI. Split my hair in the middle. I have long nails like me. You are for sure gonna get this into your nails, on your nails, probably stain your nails. So if you're not into that, then just make sure that you wear gloves or something, or use a brush to apply, but I really don't mind. So I'm gonna just start applying the hair mask right now. I'm concentrating on my scalp because my scalp is what gets super oily. This one works. I think it will be super helpful for people like me who gets like super oily hair within one day. I say a lot of super. I don't know why. Kind of drying already. Like when I'm applying this on my hair, I feel like my hair feels a lot stiff and dry. Okay, my hair feels so stiff and dry already, like all these parts, it's just like dry and stiff. So I have almost like that much left. I'm going to use that on my hair now. Now since I have like everything on my hair, I'm going to clip it. I'm not going to wrap it or anything. So I have it on. We'll leave for probably 5 to 6 minutes, not beyond that, because it's already too drying and my hair is just like, it's like a stick. So yeah, wash it off with plain water, nothing else, and then I will get back to this. Hey guys, so I'm back after shower, and also I waited until my hair was completely dry, but now the sun is completely gone down and I had to use like the artificial light that I have. But yeah, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it properly, but can you see how silky my hair is? Like, what? I have no clue what just happened. Because of the lighting that you feel like my hair is oily, but it's not. I wish I could just show you guys in natural light, but it's just not there. Anyways, my hair does not feel as heavy as it was feeling earlier. And can you see there is like volume in my hair? It was not there in the morning. Right now it's there, and that's because of the SHIKAKAI. So I can say that it did cleanse my hair. It did reduce the oil buildup on my hair, and I'm in my PJs, don't mind. But it did not strip my hair completely off of oil, and did not make my hair dry. And I left it exactly for 5 minutes, not a minute more. I just washed it with plain water, and guys, like, my hair just feels so silky. Like, after I washed it, I did not touch my hair. I just let it dry, air dry. And I was watching a movie, I was watching stocks, and I was just running my fingers through my hair, and I was just like, it just feels so soft. And it honestly just feels really soft, and it looks really like shiny and just, I have no words. But SHIKAKAI is like a conditioner that cleanses your hair and removes excess oil. That's what SHIKAKAI is all about. My scalp and hair just feels clean. Like, it's not that there is any oil left. No. In the morning, I could just touch my scalp and I would like have sticky, oily feeling in my fingers. But right now, there's nothing. So yeah, I think this is a good go. I really like it. I mean, for 170 rupees, you get such a big bottle, and you get like 150 gram of product, and if you have hair like me, you can for sure use it for almost 2 months if you are going to regularly use it. But for me, I don't think I'll be regularly using it. Maybe like to give my hair off of a break of like shampoo and stuff. Another thing, if you feel like your hair or scalp has a lot of dirt and dust build up and stuff, or if you're sweating a lot, then don't use Shikakai. Use a cleansing shampoo instead. But if you just feel like it's just oil buildup, you know, it's your third day hair or your second day hair, and you don't want to use shampoo because you've been using shampoo or you've been damaging your hair a lot, then you might want to use Shikakai. And my mother was saying Shikakai is good in cleansing, but it's more like a conditioner. So soap nut, which is a Aretha powder, let me just Google. She was just telling me. So let's see. Aretha powder or Indian soapberry or soap nut, basically. That thing is way better in cleansing your hair if you don't want to use shampoo. So that is what it looks like. It's soap nut. If I get my hands on it, I will try it and maybe put like a small video up for you guys. So my final thoughts, it did work. Obviously, you saw it. You can totally find this in Amazon or in Nykaa, I guess. And yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching, guys. I really do appreciate, and if you guys are new to my channel and if you guys do enjoy or find my content helpful, please do give this video a big thumbs up, and also please do subscribe to my channel. That is it. Thank you for watching once again. Love you all. Bye.